Leaf epidermal prints using delicate leaves, such as lawn grass or clover. Take some UV crystal gel and apply it in a strip onto a slide. Then, using another slide, spread the strip into a thin film. You want it thick enough to take a print, but not so thick that it goes over the edges of the leaf. I'm just flipping over the other slide and putting it into the nail curing device. Cut off a piece of lawn grass in this case. Make sure you know which is the underside and the upside. And then roll the sample into the gel. It's always good to apply several samples, as in this case, on one slide, with thin leaves. Flip the side over and hold it under the UV curing unit. Rather than hold it by hand, I think I'll use a pair of clothes pegs. I've speeded up the process again to save some time. Remove the slide, flip it over, and carefully peel off the individual leaves. And if the resin has not been too deep, they will come off easily. If the resin's too thick, it will curl over the sides and prevent you removing the leaf. These remove quite nicely. And at least two of the prints look very good. As always, label your slide. So, lawn grass, a leaf print, and today's date. I took the slide and placed it on my microscope using transmitted light that's coming from underneath, going through the sample and into the objective. I used a 10x objective. You can see here, this is a monocotyledonous plant, and therefore the cells tend to be arranged in rows. And the stomata are in these ovals that also appear to be in rows. This is a focus stack, so I first focused at the bottom focus, and then in increments took photographs until I reached the top focus. I then combined all those pictures using a program called Picolay to create a focus stack where everything is in focus, as you can see here. Leaf epidermal prints from delicate leaves, according to a method developed by Brown and Ratford, 2022.